Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a salad plate using an easy method. First, select your favorite fresh greens, such as crisp romaine or a colorful spring mix. It's crucial to wash and dry them thoroughly. This step prevents a soggy salad and helps dressing adhere better. Once prepared, arrange a generous, appealing base of these greens on your plate, creating a vibrant foundation for your delicious meal. Next, let's add some vibrant vegetables to your salad plate. Think about incorporating a rainbow of colors for both visual appeal and a boost of nutrients. Have some cherry tomatoes and thinly sliced cucumbers for a refreshing crunch. Don't forget to include other favorites like crisp bell peppers, shredded carrots, or a few rings of red onion to enhance the flavor and texture of your salad. Now it's time to boost your salad with some satisfying protein and healthy fats. You could add grilled chicken, a couple of hard-boiled eggs, or even some chickpeas for a plant-based option. For healthy fats, consider creamy avocado slices, a handful of your favorite nuts, or a sprinkle of seeds. A small amount of feta or goat cheese can also add a delightful savory note. Finally, let's talk about dressing and presentation. Drizzle your favorite dressing lightly over the salad just before you're ready to serve it. This keeps your greens crisp. For a beautiful finish, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, easy salad plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.